Hi, my name is Stephen Smith from Lexus of Concord. Today I'm in a 2025 Lexus RZ. I'd like to talk about our navigation systems in our Lexus vehicles with the Lexus Interface system. So this would be any vehicle after 2023 to current generation. As you can see on the screen, I have our navigation screen pulled up. So you can see where your location is right here on Lexus of Concord. The easiest way to use our system to get directions is just to say the car's name and ask for it to find you that destination. So you can say things like get directions to Trader Joe's, get directions to a closest address, or even a city. It will take you to the city center. So I'm going to demonstrate that now by asking the system to take me to Trader Joe's. So I'm going to start by saying the command word, "Hey Lexus, take me to Trader Joe's."
I found 15 results. The first is Trader Joe's at Concord Avenue. Would you like to go to that one?
Yes.
Calculating route to Trader Joe's.
As you can see, the first destination is picked as the closest one. It will now navigate to you and show you which way to go. The default display here is showing you north up. There is a way to change the orientation of the displays so it can help you find the correct way that you want to go to better visualize the way you're heading. So over here on the right side, pressing the north up will change to a more top-down direction. Still north is up. And then if I hit it again, top down, and then physical north up. These are some of the ways that you can show the screens in different orientations to navigate. Another way that we can do to search our navigation to get a destination is by using the search button here. So if I just push the search, I can say it now or even hit the keyboard right here. So if I tap the keyboard, I can actually type now the address or even just spell out a business name. So let's say I want to go to Target. I can just simply type TAR. As you can see, it fills out the location and the rest of the words for me. I can hit that. It's going to do a quick Google search and show me those locations here, starting with the closest one first. As you can see, it generated quite a big list of the Targets in the area. Another function of our system is what's called Destination Assist. As long as you have an active map subscription with us, you also have Destination Assist. Destination Assist can use a live agent to help you find where you're looking for, get directions to restaurants or other places of interest. To do that, we're just going to tap on the three lines right here. We're going to say call Destination Assist. And you will see in a few seconds it will actually call our service. So it's actually going to call to a live agent. I'm going to demonstrate that now. Hi Lewis, can I get directions to the Oakland Zoo?
Sorry, say it again.
Can I get directions to the Oakland Zoo?
The Oakland Zoo, you said?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and that's Golf Links Road, correct? In Oakland, California.
Yes, it is. Thank you so much.
Okay. I'm sending that location to your vehicle now. Let me know when it successfully shows on your screen.
It just popped up. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thanks for calling Lexus Destination Assist. We're available to you 24/7. Be safe on the road.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. So as you can see, Destination Assist just helped me find the destination to Oakland Zoo, and it actually generated the location right here on my map. So I can simply hit go now, and the system will take me to that destination. As you can see, it also shows traffic and other data on the map to help you while you're driving. If there are any accidents or other road hazards alerts, the system will actually show that on the map and let you know what's going on. So I don't see any now that I can actually show you, but that's a good thing. Anyway, if there were any icons here, you could click on it and it would let you know what the hazard was, either accident, traffic, or other road alerts. I hope this video helps in showing some of the features of our navigation system. My name is Steven here at Lexus of Concord. I am the technology specialist. If you need any help, feel free to call us or stop in and visit me. I hope you have a wonderful day. I look forward to meeting you. Take care. Bye-bye.